Well, hey there, coaches. Are you still not sure what to charge? Pricing shouldn't feel like a guessing game. And so we want to invite you to join our upcoming 90-minute workshop and finally get clarity on how to price your coaching packages with confidence
Mhm.
and build a real income plan that works. And let's tell them what they're going to learn.
Right. So on May 2nd at 12:30 Eastern Time, we're going to have this awesome workshop. And here's what you're going to get out of it. You're going to learn how to price your offers. And again, how to handle objections. I mean, how many times do we struggle with that? How to plan your monthly income, because we all are about making money. And if you're not, you should be. And why your mindset matters, how you think about money and how that matters, and how you maybe need to shift it. Plus, we're going to give you an income planning worksheet that's a fillable document that you're going to be able to follow along and do it for yourself.
There
Rhonda?
you go.
Yep.
All this for 17 bucks. Seriously. So grab your seat now at coachbusinessguide.com/workshop. And we look forward to seeing you then.
See you there.